Now, hello students. Once again we are here to discuss the important terms related to chemical substances and processes. So, now today we will discuss about the important terms like yes, important terms which we will discuss in this video are chemical symbols, ions, chemical formula, how to write chemical formula, difference between chemical change and physical change, chemical reaction, reactant, product, chemical equation and balancing of chemical equation. Now, let us discuss one by one here. What is chemical symbol? Just like DAV is the abbreviation of Dayanand Anglo-Vedic. Similarly, here chemical symbol is the abbreviation or short form of English or Latin name of an element. Generally, first letter of the name is used as symbol, but in most of the cases, two-letter symbol is used. It is done to prevent from confusion because so many elements have name whose first letter is same, like carbon, copper, calcium, all are started from C. So if in this case we use first letter as a symbol, that creates so many confusion. So in that case, two letter symbols are used. Here some examples like hydrogen, its symbol is H, oxygen, O, magnesium, Mg, zinc, Zn. Now next term is ions. So what are ions? Ions are charge species, and charge species means atoms or group of atoms which has charge. They are of two types: positive ions, that is also known as cations. Example Na plus, Mg2 plus, etc. Negative ion, also known as anions, and example Cl minus, OH minus, etc. Now next, chemical formula. So what is chemical formula? Chemical formula is the symbolic representation of the substance which indicates the type and number of atoms of each kind present in that substance. Example, water, it is symbolically represented as H2O, which means one molecule of water is consist of two atoms of hydrogen and one atom of oxygen. Similarly, if you take another example like carbon dioxide, it is written as CO2 in symbolic form, which means carbon dioxide is made up of one atom of carbon and two atoms of oxygen. Now next, how to write chemical formula. Here are some steps. First, symbols of positive and negative ions are written and their charge is written on the right corner of the symbol. Second, common factor, if any, is removed in the charges of the two ions. Third, charges of two ions are crisscrossed and written at the bottom right of the symbols of the two ions. This gives us the formula. So let us try to write the formula of one compound. I have selected the compound sodium oxide. To write the formula of sodium oxide, we write the symbol for sodium and oxide ions along with their charges. Na plus, O2 minus. There is no common factor in the number corresponding to their charges. Sodium has 1 and oxygen has 2 number. So there is no common factor. So we crisscross their charges. If there is some common factor, then we cancel the factor and take simple ratio. Now crisscross their charges and in this way, and Na plus 1 and 2 minus, that means exchange of their number as a subscript, charges number as a subscript. So Na2O is the chemical formula of sodium oxide. We will try to formulate more formula of the various compounds in this way. So next is what? Difference between chemical change and physical change. All of you are aware of this, but here once again we repeat this. Physical change, no new substance is formed, only changes takes place in state, shape, size or color. New substance is formed in chemical change with new properties. In physical change, that is, it is the reversible change generally. Chemical change generally irreversible process. Physical change generally temporary change. Chemical change generally permanent change. Physical change, example, melting of candle. In case of chemical change, example, burning of candle. Here some examples of physical and chemical change. So you observe this. Now, next important terms are chemical reaction, reactant, products. The process which leads to a chemical change from one substance to another is called a chemical reaction. Example, when carbon is burned in presence of oxygen, then carbon dioxide is formed. Example, C plus O2 give CO2. Now, reactant. Substances which take part in chemical reaction are called reactants. In above reaction, carbon and oxygen are the reactants. Product, the new substance which are formed after reaction are called products. In above reaction, CO2 is the product. I think it is clear. Now, next, chemical equation. So what is chemical equation? The symbolic representation of chemical reaction using symbols and formula of substances involved in the reaction is called a chemical equation. Just like algebraic equation, chemical equation has two sides. In maths, you have already learned algebraic equation, left hand side and right hand side. Here, LHS and RHS are separated by an arrow mark. Head of the arrow mark is always toward product and the tail of the arrow mark is always towards reactants. Just see in the text. Example, CO2, C plus O2 gives CO2. Here, the physical state of the reactants and products is written in bracket along with symbol, which make the equation more informative. And this is the good way to represent the equation. So, we will uh, learn balancing of equation in next video. So, student, you till wait the new video for observing the balancing of chemical equation and how to balance with